Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be learning how to remove an attribute from a table or a relation in SQL. And this video also includes not only normal attributes but how to remove a primary key from the table in SQL. Okay, so let us suppose first let's see what is the syntax of the following command. Again, we are using the alter table command because we are modifying the current table. So after writing alter table, you have to specify the name of the table that you are changing, and then instead of modify, we'll now be using a new keyword, which is the drop keyword. Okay, so the drop keyword basically allows you to find out which attribute has to be dropped. In our case, we are specifying the name of a particular attribute that has to be dropped after writing the drop keyword. Okay, so to drop or to remove any particular attribute or column from a given relation, you write the alter table keywords, then you specify the name of the table, then you write the drop keyword followed by the name of the attribute that you want to remove from that table. Okay, so suppose we have the guardian table in our student details database, and as we saw, the guardian table is containing 5 different attributes, namely GUID, GName, GPhone, GAddress and GIncome. Now suppose we have to remove this particular attribute, guardian income. So according to this syntax, how the command will be written? We'll write alter table followed by the name of the table that we want to modify, that is the guardian table, and then we'll write the drop keyword and the name of the attribute that we want to remove. Here we want to remove the GIncome attribute, so we have written drop GIncome, and as a result the guardian table will only then contain the remaining 4 attributes, which is GUID, GName, GPhone number and GAddress. Okay, now let us see how we will drop a primary key of any table. Now a little change in the syntax will occur when you are dropping the primary key. Till now, when you were dropping a normal attribute, you were specifying the name of the attribute after the drop keyword. But here, you'll just write the keyword's primary key irrespective which attribute has been made the primary key for that table. So what you'll do, you'll write the alter table keywords followed by the name of the table. Then you write the drop keyword and you write primary key. Okay, so say we have the student table and the guardian table, and we want to drop the guardian table's primary key. In the guardian table, we used GUID as the primary key. So here, since we are dropping the primary key of the guardian table, instead of writing the name of the primary key, we can directly write primary key after the drop keyword. See, the same thing or the same command can be written as the previous command also, where you write drop followed by GUID. But in case you just want to drop the primary key and you do not remember the name of the primary key of a particular table, SQL provides you with this particular functionality. Now similarly, suppose you do not remember what is the primary key of the student table and you want to drop the primary key. So you write alter table followed by the name of the table, which is student, then you write the drop keyword and then you specify the words primary key. In this case, the student roll number was serving as the primary key, so roll number will be dropped or removed from the table. But you should always remember that after you are dropping or removing the primary key, you must follow it with a command to add a new primary key, because in relational databases, any relation or any table must be containing a primary key so that the uniqueness of entities and records is maintained. So that's all for today's lecture. I hope you have understood this simple concept. If you have any doubts or you want to study a particular topic related to any computer science or management subject, you can mention in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel, share the video if you like it and understood the content. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video, mind your exam.